So I have this amazing little invention that's gonna keep you super cool throughout your day. Yeah. This is the Torras Coolify Cyber, and it's more impressive than you might think. And even one of those products that after you watch this video, you might go, I could actually use that.
Mr. Black.
By the way, welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way, and if you are new here, don't be a stranger. Also, if you click that like button, that does help out this channel a lot. I really appreciate it. You guys are the reason why this channel is succeeding and growing, so thank you for that. Also put links to everything down in the description. Plus, I think I even might have a coupon code for this to save you some money, so check that out down there. But here it is. This is the Coolify Cyber, and they did send this to me, and they're sponsoring this video so that I could show this off to all of you hot people out there looking to get a little bit more cool. And there are a ton of applications for this, not only that I tested out, but also use regularly. Ooh, that is so good. But let's just check out what's in the box. And this is actually quite simple because in the box, you get a protective travel case, and then you unzip that, you get the neck cooler itself, and a charging cable. So yeah, that was fast. And here's how it works. There are 3 TEC cooling modules with graphing thermal conductivity and 366 pairs of cooling particles. And then you have dual exhaust vents and upper and lower airways that will form a convection system, bringing overall coolness to your head, neck, and back. It's equipped with 4 powerful aerodynamic motors with 7,200 rotations per minute. And with their next generation KU 3.0 chip and industry-leading cooling system, it can get a rapid decrease of 20 degrees. So not only do the fans blow air on you, but it actually cools the whole unit where you can feel it all around. And really, you power it on and it's going and you feel it immediately. Like, it is cool all around. It feels so good, by the way, when I wear this. I love it. Oh. You have 2 buttons for control to change modes and speeds from low to medium or high. You can also change it from air conditioning to fan or heat in case it's cold and you want to heat up. Or if you have like a crick in your neck and you want to put it in heat mode and use it like that, that will help. It has a 6,000 milliamp hour high capacity battery and 20 watt fast charging where you can go from 0 to 80% in just 80 minutes. And it does last a long time. I actually fell asleep with this thing on in fan mode in low, and 8 hours later I woke up and it still had half the battery left. Another way that Coolify is different from some of the other ones that are out there is it has a very ergonomic design with these 2 hinge points, making it work for various neck sizes, but also it just sits better and more comfortably. Like just wearing it like that. It's very low profile. It's not super big and bulky like other ones. They also have a smartphone app to adjust settings to get more precise controlling of speed and temperature. It allows you to select an auto mode that will automatically adjust the settings based on the ambient temperature and your body temperature. So the next question is, who is this for? Now there's obvious ones, like if it's really hot outside, middle of the summer, you're going to a festival, you're going to an amusement park, you're watching your local sports team, you could be hiking or fishing or working somewhere outside that's really hot. Maybe you just got out of the gym and you took a shower and it didn't stick.
What, you took a shower?
It wouldn't take. 10 minutes from now, I'll be sweating all over again. I can feel it. I'm like you in the heat pump.
You could pop this thing on and it will cool you down so you're not sweating after that. Maybe you're sitting in your car waiting for someone and the car's off and it's getting really hot. This will help. Maybe you have an old car and your air conditioning stops working. You can use this for that. Maybe it's wintertime and you're going for a walk or you're pumping gas and it's cold. You can put this in heat mode and it'll keep you warm. Maybe you just want to relax outside, it's hot, but you want to be outside. There's not a good breeze and you could just set the fan on and it feels great. But actually there's another market for this, and that's like business professionals. If you work in an office that you have to walk to, or maybe you're taking the train and it's hot, you don't want to get to the office and be all sweaty and have sweat stains. You can wear something like this on your walk or when you're sitting in the train. It'll keep your body cool the whole time. You show up to work nice and fresh, ready to go. So yeah, there's a lot of really good uses for it. It's great quality. It feels really nice to wear. You just kind of forget that you're wearing it and you're feeling great. But that's it for today's video. It's a really cool product. I'm excited I got to play with it. It's always fun on this channel to just get cool random gear and test it out and see what it does. And this was surprisingly awesome. So if you want to check out some other cool gear that we've looked at here on this channel, you can click one of these videos that's on the screen. Actually, this one over here, YouTube thinks that you'll like specifically. So maybe you want to click that one. Other than that, I'll see you there and stay cool.